Grain drying equipment produced by Melininvest OJSC successfully works in every region of Russia and abroad. Vesta grain dryer of a shaft type has won the recognition of farmers long ago. In 2014, the designers of our factory created a new model of the dryer, which was called Vesta ECO. Vesta ECO is a model of a new generation of grain dryers in which the optimal drying technology and versatility are combined with care for the environment and high quality of the finished product. The grain dryer is made of galvanized steel resistant to adverse environmental factors. The dryer might be figuratively divided into 8 zones. Each zone has its own purpose, but serves our common goal: the release of grain from moisture and receiving the output of a dry, quality product in which all its beneficial properties are preserved. Loading and unloading bucket elevators are used for transporting the initial and finished product. An air separator with a spreading mechanism is installed at the entrance of the dryer. It cleans the grain from volatile impurities and evenly distributes it across the entire width of the dryer's shaft. A special pre-drying bin is installed in the Vesta dryer, which provides the so-called preheating zone. It allows to prepare the grain for the most intense heat, and to reduce the thermal shock, which occurs when cold grain is quickly heated. The presence of this zone eliminates the appearance of dry crusts that prevents intensive dehumidification. The first heating zone allows to heat up quickly the prepared grain to the desired temperature and to remove easily all surface moisture. After that, hot but not tempered grain enters the binning zone, where the alignment of the temperature and humidity parameters occurs. The moisture is transferred from the inner layers of the grain to its surface, and further drying becomes more effective. Due to the presence of a binning zone, the grain is dried evenly. The factors, such as overheating, cracking, and loss of germination, are prevented. The second heating zone is intended to relieve the moisture left on the surface of the grain and to complete the drying process. The next comes the cooling zone, where the grain mass is being cooled down. This zone is needed to avoid creating condensation, which may occur if the outlet temperature of the grain exceeds the ambient temperature by more than 10 degrees Celsius. In the cooling zone, there is a recuperation system that allows to increase the efficiency of the dryer. Cold air from outside passes through the heated grain, cooling it. Then the heated air enters into the input channel of the heat-carrying agent, and therefore the cost of the drying agent heating is reduced. The discharge zone completes the dryer. The speed of discharge can be adjusted, regardless of the mode of drying. There are air ducts inside the housing of the Vesta ECO dryer. They have a trapezoidal and non-uniform cross-section, whereby the pressure of hot air across the width of mine is equal. This ensures uniform drying of the product. In addition, the grain does not form stagnant zones and passes freely down the shaft of the dryer. Melininvest dryers operate both on gas and liquid fuel. During the combustion of diesel fuel in dryers, carcinogens are being emitted and may negatively affect the quality of the grain product. A heat exchanger is installed in the Vesta dryers outside of the dryer column to prevent a direct contact of the combustion products with the grain. Air heating is exercised with the help of a modern 2-stage burner. The combustion chamber is made of heat-resistant stainless steel. The operation of the heat exchanger is based on the principle of counterflow of the air mass, so it is not overheated. Vesta ECO meets all environmental requirements and can be operated even in the city. The dryer is equipped with louvers on the top of a tower above the exhaust fans. During unloading, they are being closed thereby reducing cravings and the air velocity in the outlet channel. This helps to prevent the removal of rubbish and light grain. Vesta dryer is suitable for all grains and oilseeds. To regulate the speed of the air, the plant's engineers have developed a diaphragm located within the housing of the exhaust fan. It is a set of blades that can be rotated by setting the airflow rate required for any given crop. Vesta dryer has an automatic control system. It includes a set of sensors which allow to regulate the temperature in any of the drying zones with accuracy of 0.5 degrees Celsius. Temperature control in each zone and a system of auto-lock of the dryer in case of emergency ensure fire safety. The control panel has a touchpad with a page organization with a help function included, where the operator will be able to find tips on the panel operation. If desired, at any time, one can view and change the operating parameters of the dryer to schedule temperature changes to check the error log. If desired, the control panel can be connected to a computer, which makes the operation of the dryer simple and convenient. The undoubted advantage of the Mельинвест dryers is high readiness to installation. The dryers are supplied in a modular design that allows to reduce the time for installation and commissioning. Maintenance platforms are provided on the top and inside of the dryer. The operator can easily perform the scheduled or preventive repairs of any of the dryer's mechanisms. Vesta dryer has the advantages which distinguish it from its competitors. Firstly, this is a high-quality product. Grain, dried in our dryer, has a high germination rate, long period of preservation, nutritional and milling properties, and hence has a high market value. Secondly, profitability. The cost minimization in the construction and operation process is achieved by high efficiency and saving in the building of the foundation. The third competitive advantage, design features which ensure the sustainability, reliability, ease of use and durability. All the spare parts are in stock in Russia. Many customers have appreciated the high-quality equipment of the Mельинвест trademark. We shall be glad to see you among the prosperous farmers.